Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bye here. So I made a video yesterday to call out Lilith for scamming us with the new refinements update, but I did not show you guys any proof there for why it's such a scam. So today I have a create data simulation to compare the old crafting system with the new refinement system here. The link for the data simulation will be in the description for you to test out yourself as well. You can also look at the code as well. I'll show you guys how to do it. Uh, so you can also use it to see what could possibly happen if you are going to use a new refinement system as well. Right? What could happen on some chances on certain attempts. So let's go right into it here. Let me go over the simulation with you guys here. So you can run the test here. You can click on the button here to run the test. It will automatically running 100 tests here for you guys. But we gotta take a look at some of the data here, right? So like for the first test, right, 100 attempts, we are seeing the old equipment system with higher chance of getting special talent here. But this data fluctuate a lot. Uh, First of all, I want to compare, like, let's say for an average player like myself who could probably using the refi system about like 10, 20 times throughout the entire life of Rise of Kingdom. So let's typing in here the 20 number here. And let's run the test here, right? So on the first run, I'm seeing a 4 number here, 4 out of 20 special talent. On the new refinement system, I'm getting 7 out of 20. So for this kind of test, right? So for the old equipment system, I'm assuming that you are going to craft the item, dismantle it, recraft again until you get special talent. For the new refinement system here, you go craft one item and then you go keep refining it until you get a special talent, and you're going to move on to the next one. So you can look at here on the left side, right? Something happened here when I do using the old equipment system, and something happened here on the right side when I'm using the new equipment system. But this is just only one test for 20 times. Let's try another test here, right? So another test here, I am seeing that I am getting 5 special talent equipment here for the old equipment system and 7 for the new refinement system here. Let's run another test here, right? So this time I'm seeing 6 out of 20, 6 out of 10 here. So very, very different, right? The number fluctuate quite a lot. And on this time again, on the left side now, I'm seeing 7 out of 20. And on the right hand side, 5 out of 20 here. So there is, one thing I can say is there is not much increase in terms of like chance it for you to run to get special talent even with the new refinement system. Um, and let's try running a couple more time here, right? It's like the number is pretty even, right? So now I'm seeing 6 out of 20 or 4 out of 20 here. So like for an average player like myself who only uses system, like who only crafting the legendary equipments about, I don't know, 20 times, probably 20 times throughout my entire Rise of Kingdom life, probably it is I probably not gonna notice any changes. Uh, so we can definitely do like a much bigger test to see what the outcome would be. Let's say if I run the test 1,000 times, let's say like a lot of people going to use a new system. Let's compare like it's 1,000 times using the old equipment system with the new refinement system here. So this is the data here, right? The new data for so for the old equipment system, I am getting 300 out of 1,000 here for 213. 213 out of 1,000, right? So it's at 1,000 tests here. And if I run it again, right? So this time I'm seeing a 309 special talent with 213 special talent here, and 30.9% chance, right, overall, and 31.3% chance. I can even make this test even bigger, right? I can get to a 10,000 or even 100,000 here. So when I'm running more than 10,000, I can see right here. When I'm running more than 10,000 tests, right, because it takes a lot of time to render the data, so I do not display the data here, but it does show you the number of special talent you can get from running, like how many special talent equipment you get from running more than 10,000 times here. So this time I am running 100,000 tests here, right? I'm getting 30,039 on this side for the new for the old equipment system, and 30,334 for the new refinement system here. I can even run up to I think 1 million, I think. So let's run 1 million tests here, right? So when I'm running out a million tests, right, you can see that there is barely any differences when I'm running like a big huge amount of data, right? Like a big amount of like refinement or using the old equipment system, dismantle and recrafting, right? The percentage increase is unnoticeable, right? Keep running a couple more here, like 1 million tests, 1 million tests here. Barely, right? It does show that the new refinement system is slightly better, but it's not that crazy. Like it's not that much better, right? And we had to forego the increase in probability when you have a like failed attempt. It affects us a lot when it comes to like crafting new equipment, right? So Z is just straight up for like crafting, dismantle, recraft again until you can get special talent, right? It doesn't like it's different when you got use when you compare the old equipment system with the new equipment system when it comes to crafting the same item over again without dismantling. So you can use it data here. You can run up like a million times to see for yourself as well. You can change the view. You can go to the view editor right here. You can see my coding here, right? I'm using JavaScript to code the simulation here. You can see if there are any flaw. I don't think there are any flaw in the logic. I have tested it already. You can go back out here. So you can also use it data simulation to run some tests to see what's gonna happen as well here. All right, what's the chance? Let's say if I'm gonna run 100 refinement here, right? What could possibly be happen, right? So let's say for this one here, I'm running 100 refinement. On the first try, I'm crafting first attempt with 11% chance, and I did not get special talent. And I'm going to refine the item for the first time again. I got 75 refinement here, and on the second attempt for refining, I'm getting special talent. Second one, I am crafting for the first attempt here, and I get 11% chance again, and I could not get special talent. Refine first attempt, 11% chance, and get special talent here. Very lucky. Crafting first attempt with 11% chance here, fail. Refining attempt with 11% chance here, get special talent again. So very good amount, like very lucky here in terms of crafting, right? So refining two time and get special talent. But I think this time I'm not getting very lucky here. So crafting first attempt, 11% chance and fail. Refining first attempt got to 75 here again. You can see a list of like data simulation here to see what could possibly happen. Down here you get a little bit less lucky. Let's try to run the test again here, right? So this time you see a little bit more different type data here. So you can definitely try to use it with data simulation to see like what could possibly happen if you're going to try to use a new refinement system, guys. I hope you guys find this data useful, guys, and thanks for watching the video.